So I did a YouTube short on on removing scratch from your car from just basic cream cleanser or Jif, whatever you guys want to call it, whatever country you're in. And I just want to quickly show you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's definitely a pretty good scratch. Now I'm just going to put some of this cream cleanser on it. See, cream cleanser. Dab it on. Dab, dab. Alright, watch this. Get a rag, whatever you got, doesn't matter or anything. Now watch this. That shit. 95% removed. You wouldn't even know it was there. I rate it. I've been doing the wife's car, removing all these scratches from all the homeless, useless people who can't fucking drive, so here we go.